It's been many years since I had an actual Christmas tree in my house. Very, very long time. But now I have a person in my house. Oh, yeah, the top of the tree has a little bird of happiness on it. But it's been many years since I had a tree. And look, there's presents. I wonder who they're from. And those are from the person living in my house this Christmas. So here it is. And for posterity, you can say that Lily had a Christmas tree in her house. And here's the little bluebird of happiness. I hope you're happy too, wherever you are. Okay, till next time.